Hi, I'm Mike Head. I'm from Atlas Ceramics. I'm here today to answer some common questions, and some of the questions we've been receiving: how do I use Fuga soap? This is a product designed especially for the Fugabella epoxy grout, where people perhaps leave a small residue on top of the tile, and it's how do you get it off. You can see from this tile board that we did a demonstration on how to actually install the epoxy. We've left some on the surface to be able to do this demonstration today. So as you can see, if I run my nail over it, it is really hard. Most important thing to remember is with the soap, it is a product to be used 24 hours after the installation of the epoxy grout. Okay, not before, because of course if you use it too soon, it can affect the integrity of the epoxy grout. So before you start, make sure you've got everything that you need. So we've got some water here, which we're going to use the dilution of it. We're using it 3 to 1 or 1 to 3. So we've got 1.5 litres there. We're going to put half a litre of the soap in there. We've got a cellulose sponge and gripper that we were using the other day for the epoxy demonstration. We've also got some water here ready to wash it off at the end. And that's most important, that you've got to make sure you wash off all of the soap away from the actual tile and the grout, nice and clean. And then a microfiber then to clean it up and dry it. We've also got, so we've got the sponge here, and then if we've got any stubborn areas, then we're going to use the emulsifying pads. And Atlas Ceramics sells all these products here, which you can find on our website. And of course, you've got the fine one, which is the white, and then you've got a gripper and a whole pack there, the black being really tough, and they go back in great. All right, so let's start off then. So put some gloves on, the most important thing. Shake well, so make sure the bottle's well shaken. Mix it all in the bottom. Okay, so we're going to make it nice and strong. So this is going to be roughly measured. Oh, you can see it's a thick, gloopy mixture. That's why you need to shake it. So just to make sure I've done that. That's all fine, yeah. Okay, put that back, lid on, keep it safe in case I knock it over, of course. Give it a good mix. Get my cellulose sponge out. Put it onto the handle. Great bit of kit here from Kerakoll. There we go. So it's all clicked into place. Get the bucket ready. Okay, so we're going to mix it up well. Make sure it's mixed in with the water. And then we've got some on the sponge there ready. Of course, use a wash boy, which will be a lot easier than this in the bucket. But for this demonstration, we're just using it like this. So again, putting it on the surface of the tiles, circular motions to get it into it, working away. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to leave this now on the tile for 10 to 30 minutes to actually activate and break down that haze and that residue that's on top of the surface, okay? So we're just going to keep agitating that for the next sort of 10 to 30 minutes. Most important thing is not to let it dry on the tile. You've got to keep it damp and you've got to keep it topped up at all time before you come to washing it off. Okay, so I'm happy with the actual finish. So now what we're going to do, like I said earlier in the video, is to make sure that you take off as much of the soap as possible, because you do not want to leave it on the tile and it might sort of ingress into the epoxy grout itself. So, nice sponge, clean sponge. Make sure you take off all the excess. Remember to work in small areas. Do not just do the whole floor, because you can get yourself and not be in control of the actual product itself, and it goes off and dries. So again, really thoroughly wash it. Look how well that's come up. Really good. Really pleased with that, and hopefully it's a great demonstration. Now, finally, as I say, is to dry it with a microfiber cloth. and then you can see if there's any bits left on, and I'm pretty happy with that. Considering what was left on the tile, I think that's a great job. So thank you very much indeed for watching this video. Look out for the next video, which will be on the shock. Till the next time, thank you for listening. Bye bye.